Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 4 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is add and subtract the fractions with unlike denominators. And here are the list of the lesson, which is add three or more fractions with like and unlike denominators, word problems. Find the missing numerator or denominator in addition and subtraction sentences. Add and subtract the mixed numbers with unlike denominators. Add and subtract the mixed numbers with like and unlike denominators, word problem. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using your email and the passwords that are provided by the administrator. Go to the subject tab, scroll down to the grade 4, select maths from there, and here are the list of the lessons. So we are on the chapter add and subtract the fractions with unlike denominators. So let's continue with this. So the lesson today we covered, which is add three or more fractions with like and unlike denominators, word problem. Is this the lesson? Yeah. Okay, this is the lesson. Let's do it. An ice cream shop took inventory of their ice creams at the end of the shift. The shop had 1 by 5 of a carton of chocolate ice cream, 1 by 5 of a carton of the vanilla ice cream, and 3 by 10 of the carton of the strawberry ice cream. How many cartons of ice cream did the shop have in all? So let's add. They are saying that how many uh, cartons of ice cream did the shop have in all? We are going to finding it out in all, so it means that we are just adding 1 by 5 with 1 by 5 with 3 by 10. So how can we add up? As we know that 1 by 5. So how can we solve this one? 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 10. So we are going to solve 1 by 5, multiply with this. First of all, we check it out. What is the greater denominator? That is 10. So we can make both the other smaller denominator equal to this one. So how can become equal? Multiplying and divide with some number which is 2 here. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, so this becomes first becomes 2 by 5, second becomes 2 by 5, and third is the same. Sorry, 2 by 10. We are multiplying and dividing on both the numbers with numerator as well as in the denominator with 2. Here it's 10 and 10, and then it's 3 by 10. Now all the denominators are same, so putting only one denominator, writing their numerators here, and then just add up. This becomes 7 over 10, and that is your answer. Okay, so now in the next question they are saying that on his vacation last summer, the Billy walked all over New York City to buy the souvenir First, he walked 5 by 10 of the mile from his hotel to the postcard shop. Then he walked 1 by 4 of a mile from the postcard shop to a t-shirt shop, and 1 by 4 of a mile from t-shirt shop back to the hotel. So how many miles did the Billy walk in all? So look at here, we are going to finding it out in all. So let's add up 5 by 12 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so here is 12, here is 4 and 4. So what we do for that, we are just going to multiply with the number. So which number we are going to multiply? Then this 4 and this 4 becomes 12. So as we know that we are multiplying with the top as well as on the bottom with 3. Okay, this one as well as in this one, multiply and divide with the 3. Okay, in the top as well as in the bottom we are putting it here. Now 5 by 12 as it is, I'm going to write, then 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 3 is 12, then 3 times 1 is 3, then 4 times 3 is 12. Now so we are going to put it here 12, just adding up all 5 plus 3 plus 3, 11 over 12, and that is your answer. Okay, this is the thing that we have done. Now let's do the test questions. A spaceship traveled 5 by 12 of a light year from Earth to the planet X and 1 by 3 of a light year from planet X to planet Y. Then it traveled 1 by 12 of a light year from the planet Y back to the Earth. So how many light year did the spaceship travel in all? If they're saying that in all, so it means that we're going to add up all the digits. So 5 by 12 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12. Okay. So here 5 by 12 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12. So now look at here, this is 5 by 12, here it's 1 by 12. These both are same denominator, only the denominator which is multiply and divide 3. So 3 times which number is 12? 3 times 4 is 12. So multiplying and divide with the 4. Okay, so here it's 5 by 12, here it's 1 by 12, and here it's 4 by 12. Now these are all 12, just putting it here 12, then 5 plus 1 plus 4, then that is 10 by 12, and this is your answer. And let's see, is there any 10 by 12? Okay, look at here, this is 10 by 12, but if the answer is not available, so what we do, we are just going to divide. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 6 is 12, so 5 by 6 is also the answer. So here we go with it. Okay. Okay, during the PE class, students were instructed to travel around the track in the various way. They did 1 by 6 of a skipping, and 1 by 6 of a lap running, and 1 by 2 of a lap walking backward in hotel. How many laps did the student have to make? So the lap skipping is 1 by 6, lap running is 1 by 6, and lap walking is 1 by 2. Okay, this is the way. So the lap skipping is 1 by 6, lap running is 1 by 6, and lap walking is 1 by 2. So in total, how many the lap did the student have to make? So it means that you are going to make the total, that is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and 1 by 2. 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and 1 by 2. So what we see firstly, we can see firstly how is the, what is the greater denominator here, that is 6. So both have the 6 here and only there is 1 2 here. So we are just going to change this 6 and 6. So let's suppose we're going to multiply 1 by 6 is same, 1 by 6 is same. So 1 by 2 can be changed to the 1 time 3 and 2 times 3. So here is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 3 by 6. Now these 6 are same, putting 6 here, only adding their numerator, that is 5 by 6. Let's see the answer. Yes, it's available, that is the option A. An ice cream shop took inventory of their ice creams at the end of the shift. The shop had 1 by 5 of a carton of the chocolate ice cream, 1 by 5 of the carton of the vanilla ice cream, 3 by 10 of the carton of the strawberry ice cream. So, how many cartons of the ice cream did the shop have in all? So, it's 1 by 5. In all, we are going to find. So, it's 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 10. Okay, now you guys tell me the answer. You are going to multiply 1 by 5 and 1 by 5 with the greater denominator. So what is the greater denominator here? A greater denominator here is 10. So 1 by 5, 5 times 2 is 10. Multiply and divide with the 2. Multiply and divide with the 2. 2 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10. So here the 10, 2 plus 2 plus 3, that is 7 by 10. And when we see the answer, that is here, which is 7 by 10. So at a stationery store, the hacker spotted some canisters filled with razors, 1 by 12 of the canisters of the round razors, 1 by 2 of the canisters of the rectangular razors, and 1 by 2 of the canisters of the animal razors. So how many canisters of the razors did the hacker see in all? So it's 1 by 12 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 12. Okay, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 2. So here is the 2. So this should be multiply and divide with the 6. So 1 by 2 here, multiply and divide with the 6. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. So I am going to put it here, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12 plus 6 by 12. Putting 12 here, 1 plus 1 plus 6. 8 by 12. And if you're going to more divide, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. The answer is also 2 by 3. Look, this should be divided. And then put the answer. Hope you guys understand this lesson. So solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Now let's see the next, which is So here is which we have done. So let's do the second. Find the missing numerator or denominator in the addition and the subtraction sentences. Okay. So here, if something is missing, like in the subtraction, 5 by 12 minus 6 over missing. And here the answer is not 6. It's addition. 11 by 12. So what does it mean? What is the number here? As we know that there is a 12. Why it's 12? Because the denominator is same. That's why the numerator should be added here. Okay, and here is the 12. This is already given. So now let's take another question. This is, for example, somehow it's a missing number here, which is over 12 plus 5 over 12. Answer is here 11 over 12. So what does it mean? What is the number here? It means that 5 plus which number, then you get the answer 11. So you are making that number here. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So you are going to put it 6 here. Okay. And 12 is the same. 2 by 3 plus which number you put it here over 3, then you get the answer here 10 by 3. How many numbers you are going to put it here, then you get the answer here 10. Everyone tell me. How many numbers? 2 plus how many numbers? Then you add up here and then you get the answer 10. So it's 8. Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10. And 3 is the same. So, one more thing. If you have a number like this way, 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2, and here they are just putting 7, 6 by 2, and here they're putting 1 by. What is the answer you are going to put it here? Can everyone tell me in the chat? Yes, what is the answer here? Everyone tell me in the chat, please. 7 minus 6 is 1 here. We have already put it. And what you put it down in the denominator? If there is both 2, so we are going to put it here too. Okay? So here if I'm going to write 7 by 9 minus 4 by 9, 3 over. What is the answer here? Can everyone tell me the answer of this? This is 9. Okay, because these both are 9, so we're going to put it 9 here. Then 7 minus 4, which is subtraction. And then in this way, you get the answer 3. Alright. This is the way that you are going to solve these questions. Let's do the test. 2 by 3 minus which number over 3, then you get the answer 1 by 3. Look, the question is here 2 by 3 minus which number by 3, then you get the answer here 1 by 3. 2 is subtractive from something, like here is 3. 2 minus which number? Then you get the answer 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we're going to put it 1. Okay, because 2 minus 2 is 0. So it's 2 minus 1. Okay. 1 by 6 plus 1 by which number? 1 by 6 plus 1 by which number? Then you get the answer 1 by 3. Look at here. As we know that this is 6 already. So 1 plus 1 is 2 by 6. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. That's why we are getting the answer 3 here. So this is 6. That's why it should be added. So it's 1 by 3. Okay. That is the reason. So here is the 6. As we know that here is the 6. 11 by 12 minus 7 by 12. Okay. So here is 11 by 12 minus 7 by 12. So as we know that 12 is here. 11 minus 7. Answer is 4 by 12. Am I right? This is 12. This is 12. You're going to only put 112 here. So this is 112 here. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. The answer is 1 by 3. So here they just write the answer, mention the answer, that is 3. So here we go with it. So 11 by 15 minus 1 by 15. Okay, they are saying that 11 by 15 minus 1 by 15, and they get the answer here 2 by missing number. So as we know that when we solve it, okay, let's solve it. So here is the 15. 11 minus 1 is 10 by 15. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. So here the answer is 2 by 3. So it means that this is 2 and this is 3. Okay. So here we go with it. Missing number over 13. Plus 4 by 13. And they are saying that the answer is 7 by 13. So how many digits you get add with the 4? Then you get the answer 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So just put it here 3. Okay. This is the way that we are going to solve. 8 by missing number minus 5 by 9. 8 over missing number minus 5 by 9. Here you get the answer, which is 1 by 3. It means that here is the 9. 8 minus 5. Obvious thing, that is 9 here. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 over 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 by 3 is your answer. Okay. That is 9 here. 13 by 18 minus 11 by 18. So put it here. So just put it 18 here. 13 minus 11. What's the answer? 2 by 18. Okay, so it's 2, just a subtraction. But here is 9. Answer is given here 9. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 9 is 18. That is 1 over 9. Here you're gonna put 1. Okay, so let's do with it. So hope you guys understand this lesson. Solve the rest of the test question related this lesson by yourself now. Okay. So let's start the third lesson, which is add and subtract the mixed number with unlike denominators. That is here. So here is the mixed number 7 into 7 by 10, 2 into 1 by 2. So how can we solve the mixed number? As I already told you, multiplying these two numbers add up with this number. 10 times 7 is 70. Plus 7 is 77 over 10. Plus, now you guys tell me the answer of this one. Multiply, add up with this, and then just tell me the answer. In the denominator is same, that is putting 10 here. So tell me the answer. Then what's the answer? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is, it's not too much difficult, 5. 5 by 2. Now check the, what is the second step? This is the first step that we have done. Now for the second step is basically we see the greater denominator. Here the denominator is 10 and here the denominator is 2. So when we see the denominator things, okay, when we see the denominator, so we are just going to check the greater denominator is 10 and the smaller denominator is 2. So this 2 is multiply with this. So here is 77 over 10 plus there is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is multiply and divide with 2 times which number is 10? 5 is 10. So multiply and divide with the 5. So multiply with 5 and also divide with the 5. 5 times 5 is 25 over 2 times 5 is 10. Now putting only one 10 here and adding their top numbers. Okay, then just write your answer. Let's do the next question. One more example, then you're more able to understand. For example, here I'm going to take the question. Okay, now how can we solve it? This one. So just multiply these two numbers, add up with this. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15 over 2. Plus multiply these two numbers, add up with this. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14 over 3. Or you can say that this is a basic mixed fraction. How can we solve it? Understand now. Let's take a question. 7 into 2 by 6 plus 4 into 2 by 3. Multiplying these two numbers, add up with this. 6 times 7 is 42 plus 2 is 44 by 6 and plus 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14 by 3. Now what we do, look at here, there is 6 and there is 3. So we are going to make this 3 equals to this 6. So 44 by 6 as it is here plus 14 times 2 over 3 times 2, because 3 times 2 is 6. So you're going to multiply and divide. So 44 over 6 plus 28 over 6. Here you put 6, then 44 plus 28 here, 72 over 6, and that is your answer. 72 over 6, that is your answer. Okay, let's do one more question. Let's do the test questions now. 3 into 1 by 9 plus 9 into 2 by 3. First solve the mixed numbers. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. 28 over 9 plus 3 times 9 is 27, plus 2 is 29 over 3. This is 9 and this is 3 here. We're going to make equal this 3 to this 9. So 3 times 3 is 9, so multiply and divide. 29 times 3 over 3 times 3. So 28 over 9 as it is plus 87 over 9. Now 9 and 9 is same, so putting 1 9 here, just adding their top numbers, 28 plus 97. 125 over 9. Now just divide this 125 over the 9 and convert your answer also in the mixed number. So putting 125 inside of it and 9 outside. 9 times, what's the answer they get it here? 9 as it is. So here more you are going to divide. Okay, just going to divide it more. Let me just taking it out. Okay, here is the answer, that is one answer is 12 into 7 by 9, 11 into 7 by 9. Is it? Yeah. So when you are going to solve this one, check it out, your answer is equal to that or not. 12 times 9 is 108. 108 plus 7 is 115 by 9. And 9 times 11 is 99 plus 7, 106 over 9. It means that here is some mistake we are doing. This question is right. 3 into 1 by 9, 9 into 2 by 3. It's addition. Yeah. So let's do with this one. Okay. 4 into 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 by 6. Let's do it. 4 into 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 by 6. 3 into 1 by 6. Solve it. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9 by 2. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19 by 6. Make this one is equal. Multiplying with 3, both the digits. 9 times 3 is 18, 27, sorry. And 2 times 3 is 6, minus 19 over 6. 6 is here. It's addition or subtraction. Then 27 minus 19. So 27 minus 19 is 8 by 6. So putting 8 outside, 6 is outside, and then 2. 1 into 2 by 6. Okay. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. 1 into 1 by 3. So this is the answer, 1 into 1 by 3. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So we have done the third lesson as well. Let's start. Add and subtract the mixed number with like and unlike denominators. Word the problems. Okay. The last lesson of the day. It's same just like the previous we have done. Planet X is 6 into 2 by 3 light years away from the Earth. Planet Y is 1 by 3 of the light year away from the Earth. How much the further away in the planet X? Okay. You are just going to check. Planet X is 6 into 1 by 3 light years away from the planet Y. First of all, just solve it by using mixed fraction and then just subtract it out. For example, if you have someone, sum is the mixed and sum is simple, then how can we solve it? For example, this is 4 into 2 by 9 minus 2 by 3. How can you solve this one? First of all, solve the mixed number fraction into the simple one. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 2 is 38 over 9, minus 2 by 3. Here is the 2 by 3. So this 38 over 9 as it is, this 9 is greater denominator. So multiply this full term with 3. So 38 over 9 minus 6 over 9. Okay. Just subtraction, putting 9 here, then 38 minus 6 on the top. 32 over 9 is your answer. Alright, let's do the next. If you have a one mixed number fraction, and one is like, look at here the question. Kurt ran 3 into 1 by 5 miles on Saturday and 1 by 5 miles on Sunday. How many miles did Kurt run in all on Saturday and Sunday? 3 into 1 by 5, 5 into 1 by 5. Okay, let's do it. We are going to add because it's run in all. So first of all, convert it. Multiply these two numbers and just add up on the top. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16 over 5, plus 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1 is 26 over 5. Putting 5 in the denominator, 16 plus 26. That is 42 over 5. And if you want to divide this by using converting into the mixed, so putting 42 inside, 5 is outside. 5 times 8 is 40 and 2 is left. So 8 into 2 by 5. Okay, and this is the answer. that we get it. For example, if we're gonna solve one more question, 3 into 1 by 4 minus 4 into 2 by 3. So how can we solve it? 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13 over 4. It's just a mixed numbers minus, let's suppose here is 4 as well, or 2 is here. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2 is 10 over 2. Now how can we become equal? 13 by 4 as it is minus 10 over 2 times with 2. 4 is the greater denominator, so we become equal by multiplying. 13 by 4 minus 20 by 4. So put 4 here, 13 minus 20, just subtraction, minus 7 over 4. That is your answer. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. Solve the rest of the questions by yourself. So today we are doing the grade 4 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is add and subtract the fractions with unlike denominators. Here are the lessons. Add 3 or more fractions with like and unlike denominators. Word problem. The second is find the missing numerator or denominator in addition and subtraction sentences. Third one is add, subtract the mixed number with unlike denominators. And the fourth one is add and subtract the fraction mixed number with like and unlike denominators. Word problems. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their passwords and the emails, okay? So you guys make sure before starting the next session, you guys practice all these the lesson, all these test questions, and if you still need any help in any of the lesson, you can contact tutors. So how can you contact? Go to your A plus website. There is a live chat button available there. Select your department, like in which department, maths or language, putting your name and then just send. In this way you are going to contact with your tutors. Okay. So for now, have a great day, you all. Bye.